Today we're going to discover an incredible application, and that is Google Lens. Google Lens is an image recognition technology developed by Google. When directing the phone camera at an object, Google Lens will try to identify that object. Let's check it out. You open your phone, go to the Apple Store. In the Apple Store, search for Google. Then you can get the app. Double click to install. Downloads the app. And then it's installed on your phone. You open Google app, and in the search menu you can find an icon of the Google Lens on which you can click on, which instantly opens a camera. If you click on the lens, it takes a picture and immediately identifies the plant. Alternatively, you can launch again Google Lens. Click on the lens icon, which opens the camera. As you zoom on the object you're interested in, you take a picture. Immediately it identifies, in this case, a handbag, and it can tell you where you can buy it, at what price, and the availabilities. Finally, other examples would be in your garden to find out what are the trees, or your pets, what breed they come from. There's no limit to what you can search. Just click on the app and then on the logo, and then just focus on a painting, a building, a mountain, and click on the lens. It's an amazing application that offers hours of joy, of discovery and pleasure. I wish I knew about it sooner.